Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Saba, and today I'm gonna claim World Stage Event 88 rated Argentina player who is Banega, I believe. But before it, I want to open some coin packs that are in the store, and let's see what can we get from these packs. So we're guaranteed 2 Gold Plus Nation packs plus gold player from our nation. So let's open these packs. Let's see what can we get. 72 Austrian guy, Segura, sorry. And yeah, we didn't get anything great from this one, but I want to go ahead and set active this Mexican team just because I bought this team because I had this 88 Moreno in my team. So I wanted to get this team because I would not spend so much coins, or in the training XP on upgrading this because I had 88 rated players. So let's stick with this and let's see if we can get some decent players from this. I will open like 3 or 4 packs with the Mexican team. Then I will come back to Argentina. Boom, 73 Buffal, 75 Pearl, and 77. Not the greatest at all. Boom, 71, 72, and 75 Fabian. So we are getting upgrades to our team, but nothing major. Nothing really major. 73, another 73 and 76 from Egypt. So this will be the last pack for Mexico, and then I will come back to the Argentina. I'm not getting really nice pulls, not at all. But one gold that I want to get, guys, is Korea, just because there I have Korea starter. When you get starter team, you get certain players like 70 to 72 rated. This is Korea that was a starter player, but he's really nice to upgrade. I upgraded him, but I want his normal card to be able to use his skill boost as well. This version doesn't have skill boost, as you know, so I want to get him. But let's continue opening these packs. Let's see if we can get anything great. No, nothing. 74 as well again. Please, EA, bless me with some pack luck. I haven't got any masters in this, so I'm hoping for that as well to happen. Let's see. Let's open this pack. Boom. Owale, Tunisian guy, and goalkeeper. Please bless me with some pack luck. Oh, I thought that would be a decent one, but no, it's not. 76 highest. Boom. 71, 73, and 77 Guzman. I'm hoping for great players, but I'm no. Oh, this one might be an elite at least. No, it's not. It's Rulli. No. We didn't get any elites at all. What is this? Boom. And 78 per this. 70, 73, and 73 Mesa again. Yesterday's match, Argentina-Iceland, was insane, guys. Argentina had a lot of chances, Messi had a lot of chances, but he just wasn't able to score. He missed penalty, he missed a couple of free kicks. I'm Messi fan, so that was heartbreaking for me. But yeah, I believe that he will be better in next matches. And yeah, he will be much better. He will score a lot of goals. I believe this was just first game. So yeah, I hope he will be better though. I believe I opened like almost 4 million worth of coin packs. I believe 6 more packs and it will be 4 million worth of packs. So let's see if we can get any elites. I'm not getting any elites. What is this? What is this, mates? Yay. I'm salty. All of these players, these Argentina players that I get, will be of course for skill, not skill boost XP. But I want to get some decent pulls. I have not got any elites from 4 million worth of coins. That's insane. That's that's awful, guys. That's insanely awful. Boom, no, we don't get it. Alright, I will open 6 more packs. This will be another 5 million worth of coin packs. And then I will go ahead and claim that 88 rated player and some coins and some skill boost, everything like this. I will claim skill boost as well from it, so that will be really nice. Mercado. This is the last pack, I believe. 72 James, 74 Pereiro, 79 Rojo. We didn't get any leads. Just one for good measures, I guess. Just one for to see if you can get an elite. It does not look like it. Oh, Mascherano. He's a pretty decent card, to be honest. I wanna use him. I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, probably not. He will be the XP now. Alright, let's go into the world stage event. Let's first of all, I need group D, yeah? Just double check. Yeah, I need group D. So let's see how many points do I have. I have 3, so I need, sorry guys for that. I need 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 55 for all of that. But I need 10, 20, and 35 to get this player. So let's get these points. 10 group D points for this one. Nice. Another bunch of these. And now I think I need just yeah, 7, no, not 7 more. 12 more. Yeah, 12 more. Boom, this is another 10. And now I need to get 2 more of these to get those. So let's get one more of these. And let's now see what can we get. Boom, nice. So we get, what was the name? Yeah, 88 Baniga, who look pretty beastly. So let's get all of these 100k coins. It will be useful for this, for the packs. Another 100k coins. Boom, nice. 200k coins this time. Boom. And 88 rated Baniga. We will get him right now. Boom. 75k training XP as well. And 88 rated Ever Banega. But before putting him in the team, I want to get these skill boosts and coins as well, to be honest. This is 150, so I will do it. I will get 2 more of these. I will spend 60 points on that. I will get that skill boost as well, and then I will upgrade my team. Boom. There's another group D points. So let's now go ahead and claim these 75 skill boosts plus 200k coins. So that's pretty decent. And another same thing. So we completed everything in Argentina in Group D. We got everything. So this is it. Yes, this is it. So now let's bring Everbaniga to the team instead of Biglia. Boom. And let's put Biglia in Perez. Yeah, let's put him in Perez to upgrade him a couple of times. 94k XP, I will take it. Plus I will add this one. To get him to 90 rated. No, not 90. Yeah, no. 91 I believe, yeah. Boom. Oh, sorry. There it is. We need lower rated player. So let's bring it. 73, we should have someone from Argentina. Yes, we have also. So this is plus to upgrade to Perez as well. Pretty nice, pretty happy with that. So is my team 90 rated? No, it's not just yet. So let's upgrade these skill boosts. My team might be 90 rated with all this. I hope it's 90 rated. Oh, I got another level as well. Nice. And we don't need anything else. But I think I will upgrade all of these off camera. Yeah, I'm upgrading all of this. I'm not sure why, but I'm doing it. So, yeah, is my team 19? No, it's not. Let's upgrade left back. They should bring this team to 90 rated. Let's use those. Funes Mari, let's use Mercados. Oh. Okay. I have duplicate of him. So yeah. This is +3 upgrade for Tagliafico. Is this going to be 90 rated team? No, it's not. So I will spend that 100k training XP that I had, I believe, for no Mercado. He's not the best player at all. I'll put it to Marcos Rojo and upgrade him. So let's put him. I don't think I will use this or this. This is a duplicate. Let's see. And is this enough? No, it's not. One more. I will just use this guy. So this is +2 upgrade to Rojo as well. Pretty nice stats. But is this a 90 Yes, guys. This is finally a 90 rated team. So I am able to play tier 4 of Argentina. That's pretty insane. So this will be for tomorrow's video, I believe. I might bring it today, I might bring it tomorrow. I'm not really sure what I will do, but the tier 4 pack opening of Argentina will be really close. I will bring it back. But we're getting this 88 to 82 Tamendi. But pretty much, yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to say for today. Take care, goodbye, and peace.